Hello mga kabahay, another day, another house. At andito tayo ngayon sa Sampaloc, Metro Manila. Walking distance from Espanya. Actually, bumaba ako kanina sa Espanya. Nag-walk lang ako to here. Mga 6 minutes lang. So, from UST, mga 8 minutes walk lang to. So, very convenient kung meron kayong mga anak na nag-aaral sa UST. Napakaganda nitong bahay na to. And we have a big garage as you can see a while ago. At ito yung ating living, dining at kitchen area. At meron tayong service area din dito. At of course, may toilet and bath tayo sa first floor. So let's go up to the second floor. This is actually 3 floors houses. So 3-story house to na may 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. So sa ating second floor, we have 2 bedrooms here. Lahat ng bedrooms natin, lahat mayroong toilet and bath. So, parang 4 bathrooms tayo kasi sa first floor meron ding bathroom siya. So, ito yung ating first bedroom na may toilet and bath. At of course, meron din tayong window rito. May outlet kasi tayo sa gilid. Ayan. So, there's still daylights coming in here sa rooms na to. At ito yung ating hallway dito sa second floor. So, ang ganda ng ating hagdanan, di ba? Very industrial look. So, ito yung ating second bedroom dito sa ating second room or second floor. So, ito yung ating toilet and bath dito. At nakita nyo a while ago, meron siyang balcony. So, maganda siya, di ba? And then, dun sa ating third room or rather third floor, meron tayong third room na meron toilet and bath. At ang kagandahan din, meron tayong malaking space dito na parang rooftop siya at balcony at the same time. So, napakaganda mag-hangout doon, barbecue and everything. Napakaganda niya. At since this is very convenient location, napakamura nito sa kanyang price. If you want to know more details about this, a sample computation, and of course, if you want to have a house viewing, I'll be more than happy to assist you for this. You can Viber me, WhatsApp, Telegram, or call or text me to the number that I'm gonna include in this video. So nakita nyo, 'di ba? Meron tayong space dito sa third floor na pwedeng yung gawing living room din, 'di ba? At meron tayong napakagandang outdoor area.